Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of our DGFT Advanced Authorization series. Today, we are going to discuss a crucial step in the Advanced Authorization scheme: how to close your Advanced Authorization or obtain EODC, Export Obligation Discharge Certificate, from the DGFT. Once you have completed the export obligation required by your license, you must apply for this certificate. Keep in mind that your export obligation must be fully completed in terms of both quantity and value addition. Failing to obtain your EODC within the prescribed timeline can lead to serious penalties. Before we dive into the details, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss our deep dives into trade compliance. First, let us list the essential documents you need to apply for EODC. Advanced Authorization License Copy, Digital Signature Certificate, DSC. This must be a Class 3 certificate for DGFT purposes. Valid RCMC. A valid registration-cum-membership certificate from the relevant Export Promotional Council. Proof of export. This includes your shipping bills and the corresponding eBRCs, electronic bank realization certificates, as proof of payment. Import bills of entry. Documentation of your imports. Statement of export and import. This must be duly certified by a chartered accountant and include a UDIN number. These are the key documents required to apply for the Export Obligation Discharge Certificate of your advanced license. First, let us review a checklist of key points to consider before applying. Reviewing these points carefully will ensure your redemption process is smooth and hassle-free. Redemption is only possible if your export obligation is fulfilled within the stipulated period. If it is not fulfilled, you have three options. Extend the period. The current foreign trade policy allows 2 6-monthly extensions of the export obligation period. Club multiple licenses. This option applies if you have multiple advance licenses for the exact same product, where one license has excess fulfillment and the other is partially fulfilled. Pay duty and interest. You can pay the required duty plus interest against the unfulfilled portion of the export obligation and then proceed with redemption. Product detail matching. You must check if the details of the exported product on the shipping bill match the product details in the Advanced License and SION, Standard Input-Output Norms, or Ad-hoc norms. These details include ITCHS code, product description, grade and GSM, net contents and quantity. These details must match exactly and should be supported by documentary evidence such as a chartered engineer certificate or export invoices. Similarly, the details of the items imported duty-free under the advanced license must be correctly endorsed on the bills of entries and match the license and SION or ad hoc norms. Correct advanced license number. This is the most important point to check. The shipping bill must mention the correct advance license number. If the number is incorrect, the shipping bill will not be counted toward your export obligation. The standard policy does not have a solution for this error. In this situation, an exporter can only approach the Policy Relaxation Committee in New Delhi or get the shipping bill amended by customs. Fixation of ad hoc norms. Finally, check whether the non-SION norms are fixed for the advanced license. The DGFT will not allow redemption until the ad hoc norms fixation procedure is completed for the license issued. If the norms are not fixed, the exporter must approach the norms committee to complete the fixation procedure. We are Unique Group, India's leading DGFT and industrial subsidies consultants. We bring more than 20 years of rich experience to this industry. We specialize in solving complex redemption cases for both advanced licenses and EPCG licenses. Our team possesses the domain knowledge and experience required to successfully close license redemption cases, including legacy cases older than 20 years. We have represented cases before the Policy Relaxation Committee in New Delhi and successfully obtained policy relaxations for many of our clients. Additionally, we handle adjudication matters and have a track record of securing redemptions without the payment of penalties. In short, We provide a one-stop solution for all your needs related to advanced licenses and EPCG licenses. We are unique. Please let us know if you need assistance in filing for the redemption of your advanced license or in issuing a fresh advanced license. Our team of experts is ready to assist you. To know more about our company and services, please visit our website at www.uniqueexim.in. If you found this information useful, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you and happy exporting.